All right, welcome everyone to our first, hopefully annual HK Kickball Tournament. Give yourself a round of applause for making it out. I know it's kind of like been a goal for us since we started Hiva Katoa to kind of do like a team event. That way a group event. That way we can, get to know each other outside of the dance studio. So we want to thank you guys all for making it out, and we hope you guys have fun today. None of this would be possible without the one who spearheaded this project. So thank you so much, Sydney. I'm going to hand it over to her. That's the bracket board, so you can check in to see how the games are going. Yeah, and then whoever's team wins, they'll get a big trophy, and then you'll have your team name on it.
I mean, it might not be big, but it'll be big enough. Yeah, and you'll get your plaque on there, and we'll keep it at the studio. So next year, whoever wins, then we'll keep having each year. If you want, you could even run with your child. Maybe pick them up and just run or something. Just don't trip, please.
I pray that you bless every person here, every family represented, keep us safe. And no pulled muscles, Lord. Help us to just, know our lane and stay in our lane.
Okay, all four of you guys.
How about we take turns?
Just thinking about
How many kickers are there? There's 12. How about each of them get 3?
Yeah, there we go. How about you guys do 3?
Yeah.
You get 3 pitches each.
Okay, what's her name? Okay, you gotta learn your name. One more time, sorry. Learn their names. I'm gonna ask you real quick. Okay? And ask them what their favorite color is. Okay? What's your
Here it comes. Here it comes.
We got Nora on deck. Got it.